Samuel Garden, Solid Rock Entertainment. Solid as a rock, they just can't stop you now. Samuel Garden, I beg them no pardon.
Welcome, Solid Rock family. You're now tuning in to Solid Rock Entertainment with your host on the Central and Treasure Coast, Sam G. And I want to take this time out to thank all the brand new subscribers and the veteran subscribers and the passerbyers, everyone that come by and support the brand and support the movement and support the vibration, right? And I'm telling you, I'm loving the support. Thank you to one and all for vibing into the Burning Spear No Destroyer album review and reaction. Thank you for tuning in to the Richest Spice Black Man Time album review. And I'm loving the vibration. I'm loving the support. So I thank you one and all. And we're going to keep it positive because that's what we do on the Solid Corner. So this week's album to review and react to is none other than the classic Sizzla Black Woman and Child classic reggae culture dancehall album, released September 16th, 1997. Okay? Yes. And a little write-up here from VP Records. Sizzla has risen through the ranks of dancehall music to superstar status. This album is one of the foundations of his fame. Black Woman and Child has been called a masterpiece in the conscious dancehall reggae genre. Tracks such as Give Them a Ride, One Away, Love is Divine, and so much more. So much more. Released on the Brickwall label, and I'm telling you, Bobby Dixon had a lot of hand in this album. And here is my physical copy of the album here. Black Woman and Child. Classic, man. Classic. And as you say, on the Solid Corner, I don't do bootleg. I support the music. Okay? So, here we go. Yeah. Yeah, man. Black Woman and Child. Okay, so how we're going to kick it off right now is with track number 1, right? So, many come and many hide. Some even push to the side. And then again, there's some of them that make Babylon do what? Give them a ride.
Well, then, words of righteousness do us so much. Enough of them well, but yet no purpose. Well, they bring the fire burn all poor and rich. Them never know say it would have come down to this. Babylon give them a ride, feed them money, get them funny, and then brainwash them on them western journey. Babylon give them a ride, for the money, get them funny, and then brainwash them on them western journey. We tell them say this redder than red. The way how this red and be a blood and run red. Go tell them revolution a swing over them head. For all vampire, this a one ya higher peg. Marcus Garvey did, don't come said the man you well said. The liberty Italy you like sledge. You want principle King Selassie and the head, and Emperor Selassie have the vision and the meds. We see you and the harlot lie down in a bed, sharing defilements, all with he dead. The youths them worth more than money and bread. Hear them press amiga, tell them glory is the spread. We just come out of this loop, pagan dead. Babylon give you a ride, feed the money, get your funny, and then brainwash you on the western journey. Babylon give you a ride, feed your money, get your funny, and then brainwash you on them western journey. We tell you say, shoulda know we buy now, so it's a rebel. Watch out, make we bust them head like buckle. What's the backyard in a the deck where you are suffer? We want go where we are, let go the chain and chuckle. King Selassie said the revolution of happen. You are the one to order instead diamond nickel. Fornication, them all arise upon the double. Abomination, me come slow with the triple. Ayo, black woman, just know yourself in a the puzzle. Now come do nothing wrong, now come round, you come hustle. And every this and that you must make jump in your miggle. Now turn them back and not take them wiggle. I chat about fi cool, but them judgment a trickle.
My gosh.
Living trumpet, this and no flute nor figgle. Yeah. Kill you, get to youth, you miserable. Babylon, give them a right for them.
Sizzla riding non-stop on this rhythm, I tell you, man. And him get the amount of message in that one verse. The amount of message in that one verse. Did you know that literally when Sizzla was in his heyday, his music decreased the crime rate in Jamaica, and many youths start trying to deny being gather? That was Sizzla. But anyway, in comes.
Money get them funny, and then brainwash them on them western journey. Babylon give them a ride, for the money get you funny. Then brainwash them on them western journey. We tell you say, this a will not cause pain. Try reach well level you drop off and strain. Appointed under 90, get to use them ordained. Me stepping up the youths and unofficial stop work fee fame. Words without words can't sustain. And King Selassie say if you tell you this one a no game. Stop calling Para Selassie name in a vain. Babylon give you a right for the money get you funny, and then brainwash you on them western journey. Babylon give you a right for the money get you funny, and then brainwash you on them western journey. Me tell you say this a redder than red. Do we how this red and be a blood and run red? Go tell them revolution and swing over them head. Feel all vampire, this a one you higher peg. Marcus Garvey did done come, said the man you well said. The liberty italic you like sledge. You want principle cause King Selassie at the head. Stop snort your couple call your mother like tread. We see you on the hall that lie down in a bed. Share him the file mentality dead. Who no come above he'll get a youth instead. Cause down in a Babylon no stop run red. Now you get a right for your money get up on it. Then brainwash you on them western journey. Babylon you the right for the money get up on it.
Oh my God. Babylon give them a ride for the money and get them funny. Produced by Bobby Dixon, composer Bobby Dixon, Clement Dodd, and Miguel Collins. You know, of course, Clement Dodd is involved. His name has to be mentioned because, you know, this rhythm is a studio one rhythm. You know, so yeah. And as you know, this album is mainly engineered by Bobby Dixon, right? Miguel Collins, as you know, is Sizzla Kalonji. Yeah, so it's just all in the works. But yes, I'm telling you, September 16, 1997 was the release of this classic album. And I'm telling you, it's like none other. And Babylon give them a ride for the money. It's just like you see right now, many people are, you know, they grew up with morals. They grew up with certain understanding and principles. But because Babylon has so much, you know, presents so much fantasy to them, and present so much illusion to them. They sell themselves and them make Babylon give them a ride for the money and them do all sort of manner of evil just to get to the next level. But we don't worship the devil. So with the Almighty we settle. So we're going to keep the ball rolling to prevent you from scrolling. Hit the notification bell if you'd like to hear when I yell to put you under a musical spell. Like, positively comment, share, and subscribe for the vibe as we keep real, authentic reggae music alive. That was Sizzla Kalonji with Babylon give them a ride for the money and get them funny. You understand? I make certain man call some man honey. Bunny! Yes, but we're going to keep it rolling. Babylon give them a ride for the money, get them funny.